for information and communication technology. It refers to all the technologies used to handle information and enable communication. Simple definition of ICT. ICT is the use of computers, internet, and other digital tools to store, process, transmit, and share information. So if you are new in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. Examples of ICT tools. We have the computers and types of these computers. We have desktop and laptop. We have smartphones and tablets, internet, email, social media platform, printers and scanners, television and radio. Main functions of ICT. ICT helps us to 1. Store information, that's saving files, documents, videos for future use. Process information like editing, calculating, analyzing data. Retrieve information, that's finding save data easily. With ICT, to save data and retrieve it is very easy. Transmit information, that's sending messages via email, chatting, that's live streaming, also etc. Components of ICT. We have the hardware, that's the physical devices, that these are the parts of the computer we can see and touch with our hands, like the keyboards, the monitor, and the CPU. Then we have the software, that's programs and applications like Words, Excel, PowerPoints, etc. These are the parts of ICT or computer that we cannot touch with our hand, but we can see with our eyes. We have the network, that's internet and connections. This makes communication very easy for us. Then we have people, that's the users who operate the system, and sometimes it's also called the people where. Importance of ICT. ICT is very important in today's world because one of the reasons it improves communications like chat, video calls, etc. It makes learning easier, for example, online classes, and to even get learning materials, it makes it more easier instead of going to the libraries to get books. But nowadays, you can browse and get your books online. It helps businesses to grow. It saves time and efforts. It provides access to information worldwide. Like whatever is going in other parts of the world, you can get it through ICT. That's through the use of internet. You just go to your Google, go to BBC and other news network like Yahoo News and the rest. You get what is going on in the world. Uses of ICT. 1. Education, that's e-learning, research. 2. We have business, online transactions, marketing, and etc. We have healthcare, like storing of patients records, and even surgery can be done using the system. Then we also have banking, that's online banking service to retrieve information of their customers. It can also be used for that purpose. Then we have communication like messaging and video calls. Advantages of ICT. 1. Fast communication. 2. Easy access to information, increased productivity, and global connectivity. Disadvantages of ICT. Cyber security risks, addition to technology, job loss due to automation like the use of AI, then privacy concern whereby hackers can hack into someone's information and take whatever they want. So in conclusion, ICT plays a major role in modern life. It helps people communicate, learn, and work more efficiently using digital technology. So, see you in our next video. If you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, YouTube